Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an Instagram reel using Canva. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser, select your profile, expand the window, then you have to type canva.com or you can search on Google Canva. Just open the website. After opening canva.com, you have to register with your Gmail account. If you have not created an account, just register with any email. After logging in on website, you have to go to create a design option. As you can see here, create a design, click on here. Now here you have to search Instagram reel. As you can see, Instagram reel option, click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it gives you thousands of ideas and templates regarding Instagram reel. You can choose any type of template according to your need. So for example, I want to make a reel on dance, so I will search dance and click on enter. Now as you can see here, dance with me reel will loaded. As you can see, you can change the text, you can change the text style, you can change the text font. To change the uh, font of the text, just go to here and change according to your need. For example, I want to change lucidity. It changed. Now I have to minimize the size. You can also change the text size by minimizing and maximizing it. You can also change the color by clicking on here. You can change the text color, change according to your need, modify it. Now as you can see here, my whole reel is, you can also add different templates. Go to here, go to design. Now click on dance. Now as you can see here, I have already equipped with different types of style. Now to save your reel, just go to share and click on download. Now your reel will be downloaded in few minutes. And that's it guys. Now you know how to create Instagram reel using canva.com. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.